Oh my god, no way. Bro, he's going on.
Smith, a 40-year-old former Canadian military trainer, moves to Costa Rica to follow her dreams and find some peace with her husband.
Yes, she was beautiful, she was intelligent. She had no stress and all doing.
The wrong target and humans were killed. And, thirdly, they've got to worry about their own employees. People who work there are not comfortable with working with the military. People who work there are worried about the use of the argument that Anthropic is really asking for something that isn't necessary. So things escalate and escalate, and they result in Pete Hegseth and the chief executive of Anthropic, Dario Amodei.
Whoa!
And it's civil.
Call 911.
Okay. I'm calling 911. Oh my god.
Dollars should continue going to Israel. I don't think teachers deserve higher salaries. I don't think rural areas deserve to have hospitals, because I think we should give
And then you can say, well, okay, the resource making them what's up.
Okay. 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 Hey, you gotta wait!
Come to the last show, it's like, you know, I'm flat out, man, I'd love to be there to support you. Like, no, I think
Rift Carrier? Rift Carrier Systems?
No, my brother, gambling.
No, but he did work at Rift Carrier Systems, didn't he?
Yeah, but he's working with web agency by now.
Okay, just one minute.
Must be getting crowded in there. Will just silence.
Oh my god.
You said? She continued. It needs a pretty big cave to keep them all.
Oh, shit!
Harsh event detected.
That was lame!
Friends I used to keep, my favorite vices I used to meet, my phone countertop and their
large
put the
audience
matrix signs on the wrong
you
junction.
can generate as much, if not more, money from selling subscriptions direct to consumer. You also have a direct relationship with the consumer. You also can therefore sell them other things.
If I can't go
you
for
know
21,
who they
I need
are.
to
You
get off
can
at 20.
communicate with them. Various things that are not really possible in the traditional world of broadcasting.
What's your point? How did the American leagues kind of weigh that up, I suppose, in terms of surely you're undercutting your current agreements, your agreements with your original right?
Yes, well, of course, you know, it's very much about money, and but in the sports.
Why are they coming to
Let
us
this
up?
person do
I know.
what
I know it's not safe. We've got people behind us too who
He's
can rear end
afraid.
us.
He's afraid. It's obvious.
Today, rather than tomorrow. Just turn left, you idiot. I'm putting you in Dashcam Australia. Finally, I got some footage.
Guys, I mean, it's just, you're not even... Like, what are you doing? What are you people doing? Just, Jesus Christ.
Is that a call to violence? To point out the most obvious thing in the world? The things that are not punished, you might get more of. Well, Fisher King made an interesting comment about this. He said that on X, he said that Sam Harris keeps on giving. Sort of what I was saying. You're going to get 2 weeks of content out of it.